I don't know about you, but here is what I have endured. When I started YouTube, I spent about 2 years uploading content and working hard to get monetized. Not getting views, and even if I get views, I am not earning any money, because, well, I am not monetized. It was frustrating to make videos and not getting a single penny back. This is why ZarmTech has decided to provide monetization service for your channel. I think we all know that we need to get 4,000 watch hours before applying for YouTube monetization, not to mention about 1,000 subscribers that you need. As someone who have done it hard way, I would like to present you with much simpler option. That's your YouTube monetization packages. But before we proceed any further, let's see if you are a good candidate for our YouTube monetization package. First of all, you need to get your YouTube channel verified. For this, visit to www.youtube.com/verify. The second step is to optimize your channel by creating a logo, banner, and writing an about section on your channel. The next step is to upload 5 1 to 2 minute long videos, recorded by you. The last step is to upload 2 60-minute videos to your channel. They have to be recorded by you. You can't upload stock footage videos, relaxing videos, or videos with music in them. I know these 4 steps is a lot to ask, but these are the steps I recommend you to take. About these videos I just told you, they don't need to be related to your channel, as we will be later changing them to unlisted, once you get your channel monetized. Also remember to keep a custom thumbnail for each of these videos. You can create custom thumbnail for free on Canva.com. I know you are full with questions, so let me answer some question about our YouTube monetization service. 1. How will I get my subscribers and watch time? We will promote your channel through our vast network of channels and partners for the purpose of getting subscribers and watch hours. 2. Are all my viewers and subscribers real or fake? We only do promotion through our organic channels and partners. 3. What if I don't get monetized? Our method is 100% safe and reliable, and you will get approved to the partner program. 4. Will you create content for my channel and hire freelancers? No, that is what our YouTube automation package is for. To learn more about the YouTube automation package, send us a DM on Instagram. 5. How long does it take to become monetized? Our promotions will take 3 to 5 days to meet the requirements, and as far as approval goes, that is up to YouTube, and usually takes 7 to 10 days. 6. Will these people continue to watch my videos after getting monetized? We cannot guarantee that people will watch your content after the channel gets monetized. That is completely up to their interest, the quality and consistency of your videos, the algorithm, and more. Our job is to make sure that you save months of hard work and thousands of dollars on trial and error, and start making ad revenue immediately. 7. Do the 60 minutes videos need to be related to my niche? No, these videos can be recordings of your morning jogs, you exercising, doing work around the house, driving to work, etc. These videos will be unlisted later so that you may upload content from the niche you desire. 8. Do I have to upload 60 minutes videos? You can upload shorter 10 to 15 minutes videos, but keep in mind obtaining watch time will be slower, and process might take about 14 days also. 9. Do I have to keep these videos after being monetized? Once monetized, you can change video to unlisted. That way the video will not be visible on your channel. Now if there is a question you want to ask other than this, send a message on Instagram, Facebook, or even on Telegram. Finally, if you are still here and want to get your YouTube channel monetized, go to the first link in the description and place your order. Again, for any question, we are always available on Instagram at your service. Hit the link below to get your channel monetized.